In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate page in Wix Editor. If you want to create a copy of an existing page in Wix, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Duplicating a page is useful when you want to keep the same layout, design, or structure, but make changes without starting from scratch. It can save time and help you keep your site consistent. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor so you are on the main workspace canvas. Once you are there, look to the left side of the screen for the vertical toolbar. In that toolbar, click the Pages and Menu icon. This opens the panel where all of your site pages are listed, so you can manage them from one place. Next, find the page you want to copy in the page list. Move your cursor over that page name. When you hover over it, more options will become visible for that specific page. This is important because the duplicate option is found inside the Page Settings menu for that item. Now click the Show More icon, which is the three-dot button on the far right side of that page row. This opens a drop-down menu with several actions you can take for that page. From that menu, select Duplicate. As soon as you do that, Wix will create a copy of the page and give you a field where you can enter a new name. Type the name you want for your duplicated page. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you are managing several similar pages. This can help you stay organized as your site grows. After entering the new page name, click Done to confirm. Wix will then save the duplicated page in your page list. At that point, you can open it, edit the content, and customize it however you want, while keeping the original page unchanged. That is the full process for duplicating a page in Wix Editor. Open the Pages and Menu panel, hover over the page you want to copy, click the three-dot menu, choose Duplicate, rename the new page, and click Done. That covers everything you need to know.